Hi, buddy. This is Banks, who has the hiccups. Are you alert?
5 text messages.
Are you alert? You have the hiccups.
Are you taking a video?
Uh-huh. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Tomorrow's our birthday. 1 week old. Oh, we have hiccups. Hey, Banks. What do you think about those hiccups? Don't like them.
Hey, look at Mom. You look cross-eyed right now.
Gracious. Making some gurgles. That's all we got. Hi. That. Hello.
What's this? Oh my goodness. What is that? Oh, look, you can see it.
Mm-hmm.
What's this toy? What is that?
He's just looking at the camera.
What's that?
You like it? You want to hold it? When you say back, what do you mean?
Like, just not his whole body, his head, like the knees. There you go. Hey, Pumpkin, look at Mommy.
That's Quincy, who cannot stand that he's not the center of attention anymore.
I just gave him a half of an egg. Quincy, go on. Get in your bed.
Get.
No, get in your bed. Good boy.
Well, hiccups is about all we know how to do right now. And we're pretty good at that. And, oh yeah, and sleep. You better give me that.
Babe,
what?
Your angle is not. Are you watching? It was kind of a weird angle.
Okay.
Hey, let Mommy come in and get that picture. Move the video camera, Dad.
Alright.
Hey, Pumpkin. Daddy moved on. 1, 2, 3.
He's ready for his profile. Who is that? Amy says it's a Hanley nose, but I don't think so. I just heard some thunder from down under. What are you doing there, Stinker?
His nose, ooh, it looks like a cross-eye there.
You ready to try some more breakfast?
Oh, look at that picture.
Oh, cute. Really brunch, but who's counting? 10:42. You look like you had a rough night, buddy. You look like I feel. You're doing great, though. That was wide. Dang. So, just so you two granddads see, your grandson has more hair than you guys. Maybe that'll go away. We'll see. Uh-oh. Looks like La La Land's coming. Give me this. Give me that nose. Oh! You try to hit me. Don't you try to hit me. What's this? It's not for you, Quincy. Bad dog. Alright. Let's go back to eating. Say bye, everybody. Bye. See you soon. Oh, grumpy face. Oh. There's something going on down there. Okay. Say bye. Did you hear it? He said bye.